Hey guys, it's Matt from Hedge again. You're talking to the founder himself, and today I'm going to bring you another educational crypto video. But before we continue, I just got to say, this is not financial advice. Now with this in mind, you should totally enjoy this video. And today we're going to be talking about something very interesting, which is Paul Tudor Jones. Now this is considered, he is considered the godfather of Wall Street. And I'll give you a brief reason why. In the 70s, he said that gold was about to go on his historical bull run. And on this bull run, he called gold at $30, and it hit by the end of the bull run of about 10 years, $1,200. And this was between the 70s and the 80s. So you can imagine how much that would have been worth in today's money, considering inflation over the course of those, let's say, 50 years. With that in mind, he just made a pretty big statement about Bitcoin by publicly saying he would want his portfolio to have at least 5% of it in Bitcoin, regardless of the price, meaning that at 30,000, he would hold at that price, at less than that, he would hold at that price, and at more than that, he would be holding at that price and buying at that price. Because the way he sees it is that it's currently undervalued in whatever price range we've seen over the last few months. The reason this is so big is because he's one of the most successful traders ever to do that, ever to trade, ever to be involved in this space. So when someone like that makes a pretty forthright statement like that, it should give you an idea of how much he's probably been buying or, getting behind it. With that in mind, more and more hedge fund managers are getting into it. They're not really, as much as they're going to say they're public, they've probably been buying for a long time. If they say it publicly, assume they've been in it probably even longer. And I know that Paul Tudor Jones said last year, roughly around the beginning of when COVID crisis began, he said that Bitcoin is looking very similar to gold. So what we could have seen is probably the first part of this bull run, and it could become part of a much larger super cycle to come. With that in mind, like, comment, and subscribe and follow our page. There's definitely more content to come. Have a great day.